Alrighty, so first job of the day, actually only job of the day. We're back here again. Customer used us, is the owner of this house, is to rent this house out to different people, and every time she hires us, every time. So we're gonna be doing all the tile, about 700 square feet, and all the carpet. Right? Loves our work and keeps us. So this job will probably take us about 3 hours. Taking our time, you know. I gotta stop myself from rushing all the time. I'm like a machine. I'm not trying to be like all talking myself up. I'm just saying sometimes I need to slow it down because I just like get in the mode and I forget to drink water, you know, get all dehydrated. You know, Brenda's gotta stop me and say, drink this water. So anyway, but we're not sealing it. They opted out of sealing it, so we're just gonna clean the carpet, and you know, do our thing. We got the Viper out, and this is gonna be doing our agitation. Got the pre-spray mixed up for the tile. Then I'll go ahead and mix up some more once we do the carpet. What we're gonna do is do the carpet last, because we're gonna do the bathrooms and stuff, and just walking over and stuff. We'll get the fans on here right away, and then I'll go back over our traffic area here after we cleaned everything, just to make sure the tile still looks good, or the grout still looks good. All right, so yeah, stay tuned. So what we do is I pre-spray, and then I go around all the edges with this, you know. Because when you clean with a spinner, if you don't agitate them corners, it'll leave a line. So if you agitate it, it'll rinse it out, no problem. You don't have to go back. So I do that in every room, and then she goes around the middle with the brush right here, scrub everything. You know, there's high pH cleaning solutions that they say that you don't need to scrub. But maybe on light situations you don't need to. So let's stick with the lower pH and just do a little bit of scrubbing, little prep work. All right, so we already scrubbed the bathroom, got it prepped. I'm gonna go ahead and pull hoses, start cleaning the bathrooms, and then by that time she'll have all this scrubbed. That's a battery operated machine there, that's why it's so quiet. All you can hear is the brushes. And it's nice having no cords, so. All right. Must have if you want to really start doing a lot of tile cleaning, you know, around toilets, under toe kicks. Great product there. I know this is a carpet cleaning video or a carpet cleaning channel, and I'm doing tile cleaning right now, but you know, most carpet cleaners do tile cleaning, so that's why I show tile cleaning also. done with the tile, go ahead and mix up some carpet cleaning solution. You know, switch over to the carpet wand and mix it up. Probably about 2.5 gallons, enough for this job. Using carpet details for carpet cleaning solution and the tile cleaning solution, by the way. I don't know if I said that. So anyway, guys, if you're looking to start a carpet cleaning business, or you're already in the business, just looking to step up to your game a little bit, you know, as far as, you know, the only reason I'm saying that, guys, is I've talked to guys, and I've actually had guys buy my course that, you know, they're old school. They've been doing it probably 30, 40 years, but they were just stuck in their ways, and they got on YouTube and started watching my videos, and, you know, was just real impressed about my methods and solutions and stuff. And, you know, went ahead and, you know, even, you know, bought my course and got a lot out of it, you know. And I talk to these guys on a regular, and they educate me on a lot of stuff I don't know too, so, which is cool. But that support also goes a long ways. And, you know, people always tell me how much they appreciate the content I put on YouTube. And yeah, and I put a lot, right? But I don't put everything. I can't put everything. There's a lot more than just cleaning carpets and running a carpet cleaning business. That's why I sell a course. All right, all finished up. Let's see. Not too bad, still drying. So it's got a lot of, you know, it's not gonna be fully dry till tomorrow, but looks a lot better. Yeah, it's still wet. Carpets look great. Go ahead and give the customers a call and let them come check it out and test. Let me just see what time it is real quick. So as far as the time it took us to clean it, it actually took us 2 hours. Sometimes I feel guilty. But if our process wasn't so good and our tools and chemistry wasn't so good, it took us a lot longer. And if I was working by myself, it would have took me a little longer too. So yeah, that's it. Like, subscribe, comment if you want to see some more of this type of stuff. If you like floor cleaning stuff, you're starting the carpet cleaning business, wanting to, or in it, and just like watching it, picking up tips, because I watch other people's stuff. I get tips all the time from watching other people. So, all right, see you in the next one.